about to say, bro, you need to attend to that shit immediately. ASAP, bro.
You about to start a fire.
They gonna talk about this shit and one day they gonna be like, yeah, man. Yeah, that nigga's Hollywood now, but I remember back when this nigga used to have this used to have this dry patch on this everything.
Like you straight out the fresh water, you know, when you're going to the ocean, you got the salt left over.
That nigga roasted.
Oh shit.
I smoke the backwards, let it stop. Fucking swish wax. I wanna fuck your baby.
What's going on?
Hold on, that was recording the whole time. Bro, stop. Bro. Hey, bro, fuck it, man. Shit, we in this hoe.
What's going on?
I'm Mac.
Yeah, you're tuned in to the Players. I don't know why.
Bro, I don't know
why I always go into that tune.
Players choice. Sorry, bro. I'm on some other shit tonight, man. I can't believe it was recording. Yeah, man. Y'all caught me backstage. Y'all caught me in
behind the music.
Yeah, man.
Not on VH1's Behind the Music. Cocaine Edition. But make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Leave us a comment down below. And if you fuck with us, make sure you press the like button.
Appreciate you.
But today we're going to be watching Machine Gun Kelly. Just dropped a video to fucking this song to Eminem called Rap Devil. I don't know, man. Honestly, I kind of stopped fucking with Machine Gun Kelly after Animal Party. What was the song? Wild Boy. That's when he signed to Diddy.
He was like, that's it.
So he dissing Eminem on this hoe.
Ooh, cause you know Eminem just had that fresh drop, that Kamikaze. Then he was going after a lot of folks' neck. Apparently, Machine Gun Kelly must have got caught in the crossfire.
Oh, he might have got caught lacking. But let's go ahead and get into the video.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's out there showing his muscles.
Straight up. Bro, I will say he has one of the best shots in the game.
Yeah, he got clean that thing.
Rapper paying millions for security a year. I think my dad's gone crazy. Yeah, Haley, you right. Dad's always mad, cooped up in the studio, yelling at the mic. You sober and bored, huh? I know. About to be 46 years old, dog. Talk about I'ma call a trick. Man, you sound like a bitch. Man, I can handle your shit. Mad about something I said in 2012. Took you 6 years and a surprise album just to come with a diss. Homie, we get it. We know that you're the greatest rapper alive. Fucking dweeb, all you do is read the dictionary and stay inside. Fuck rap god, I'm the rap devil. Come a bare face with a black shovel like Armageddon. When the smoke settle, his body next to this instrumental. I'm saying, I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny hats. Let's talk about it. Being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of us single dads from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we can get gully, I'll size up your body and put some white chalk around it. Let's talk about the fact you actually blackball a rapper that's twice as young as you.
Hey, bro, Machine Gun Kelly wrecking his hoe.
Because of you. Let's ask Interscope how you had Paul Rosenberg trying to shelf me. Still can't cover up the fact your last 4 hours is back to selfie. Now tell me, what are you staying for? I know you can't stand yourself. Trying to be the old you so bad, you stand yourself. Let's leave all the beef in the 50. Damn, you're pushing 50. Why you claiming I'ma call Puff when you the one that called Diddy? Facts. Then you went and called Jimmy. Facts. The conference called me in the morning.
Facts.
Bro, that ad-lib kills me.
Facts. It's fucking facts.
I swear to God, I ain't believe him. Please say it ain't so. The big bad bully of the rap game can't take a fucking joke. Oh, you want some fucking smoke? But not literally, you'll choke. Yeah, I'll acknowledge you're the goat, but I'm the gunner, bitch. I got you in the scope. Don't have a heart attack.
Alright, hold on. I don't know, man. It's something about Machine Gun Kelly. It's just like
He's just doing too much right now.
He's doing a lot.
He look a little coked up.
He's fired up in that bitch.
You know, he full flexed up, bro.
He's pissed the fuck off. He has a shovel. He's in between two tour buses. He's
Anything
fucked
can
up.
go.
Anything can go.
Somebody help your man's up. Knees weak or old age. The real Slim Shady can't stand up. I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny hats. Let's talk about it.
Oh, that's the hook.
Still mad. Let's talk about it.
Okay.
All of us single dads from the Midwest. We can talk about it.
Huh.
Or we can get
You can talk about it.
your body and put some white chalk around it. Hello, Marshall. My name's Colson. You should go back to recovery. I know your ego is hurting just knowing that all of your fans discovered me. He like, damn, he a younger me. Except he dresses better and I'm ugly. Always making fun of me. Stop all the thuggery, Marshall. You living in luxury. Look what you done to me. Dropping out of
Hold on, stop. He told you to stop all that thuggery now. He told you to stop the thuggery.
Got money, but I'm hungry. I like it this, but you won't say them lyrics out in front of me. Shout out to every rapper that's in front of me.
You
Know
won't
that I'll
say
never
them
do
shit in
like
front of
fuckery. Still bitter after everyone loves you. Pull that wedgie out your dungarees. I gotta respect the OGs.
Like, some of it is a little corny. Not the lyrics, but maybe like the video.
Put the pieces together. It's like, I don't believe you, Machine.
Hey, but you just a bully acting like a baby, so I gotta read you a nursery. I'm the ghost of the future, and you just Ebenezer Scrooge. I said I'm flex, anyone can get it. I ain't know it would be you. I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny hats. Let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad. Let's talk about it. All of us single dads from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we can get gully, I'll size up your body and put some white chalk around it. Hey, ride a shotty, cause I got a road, it's dope. It's a fast road. When your idols become your rivals.
Alright, now hold on.
Never hesitate to say it to your face, asshole.
Right.
We know you get nervous, Rabbit. I see my
He's giving you the Kelly special.
He's giving you the full course. You're getting full course here.
To them, you're a national treasure. To me, you're as soft as a feather. The type to be scared to ask Rihanna for a number. Just hold her umbrella, Ella. I'm not a fan. Okay, Oscar the Grouch, chill on the couch. You got an Oscar, damn. Can anyone else get some food in their mouth? For real. They made a movie about you. You in everybody's top 10. You're not getting better with time. It's fine, Eminem. Put down a pen. Or write an apology. Or with a simple fact, you wear the dish to acknowledge me. I am the prodigy. How could I even look up to you? You ain't as tall as me. 5'8", I'm 6'4". 7 punches, hold your head still. Last time you saw 8 Mile was at home on a treadmill. You were named after a candy.
Bro, this hoe is longer than a bitch. This
hoe
nigga
is
is like, he
long,
got
bro.
like, god damn.
Thank you. I just want to feed my daughter. You try to stop the money to support her. You the one always talk about the action. Text me the addy, I'm pulling up scraps. And I'm by my fucking self, what's happening? ESC cap to salute me and shoot me. That's what he's gonna have to do to me when he realizes that it ain't shit he can do to me. Everybody always hated me. This isn't anything new to me. Yeah, there's a difference between us. I got all of my shit without Drake producing me. I know you're not used to me. Usually one of your disses should ruin me. But bitch, I'm from Cleveland. Everybody quiet to see that I'm reading the eulogy. He dropped an album called Kamikaze, so that means he killed him. Already fucked one rapper girl this week. Don't make me call Kim. I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny hats. Let's talk about it. I'm sick of you.
Maybe it's the hook. Maybe because the hook kind of drags it out a little bit longer. You know what I'm saying?
Talk about it. Or we can get gully. I'll size up your body and put some white chalk around it.
Boy, really dropped a diss song like it was 98.
Full this song with the like
3 verses.
and then wasn't just 16s. They was like
The hell was long.
seemed like some 32s in that bitch. I don't know, man. It was bars on top of bars.
Bars on bars on bars.
Bars on bars on bars.
How many max do you give it?
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I give that hoe 2 max, bro.
Straight up, bro.
On the cool, bro. He was wrecking that hoe. I fuck with the beat at first, but after listening to that hoe so long, I'm like, god damn, like, hold on. He did wreck that hoe. You know what I'm saying? Like, he had parts in that bitch. Shout out to Machine Gun Kelly on that hoe. Not to knock on this man, you know, he had some jamming, you know what I'm saying, some jamming shit. This ain't the one really for me. I ain't gonna really jam this hoe again. Shouts out to MG. Shout out to MGK. Shouts out to Machine Gun Kelly, man. How many yays you get that hoe?
I'm gonna give this hoe 2 yays. It was just long, man. It was a long ass song.
That hoe's long, bro.
Really, you just needed to drop like a minute in and you would have been pretty good.
It would have had pretty much the same effect.
That would have been enough.
Maybe more. Maybe
More, actually. Because now on replayability factor, 0.
I'll be damn if I listen to all that again.
Nah, it's too much. Shout out Machine Gun Kelly, man. Leave him alone, bro. But make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Leave us a comment down below. And if you like this video, hit the motherfucking like button.
Appreciate you.
So with that being said,
Oh, man.
yeah, we out this bitch.